Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing today? In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys just three things. In these three things, first, I'll be teaching you guys how you can actually add your Google Authenticator. Might be from Binance, whatever exchange or whatever app they ask you to add your Google Authenticator. I'll ask you how to add your Google Authenticator. Step two, I will also be teaching you how you can remove your Google Authenticator. Step three, I will be also telling you how you can recover your Google Authenticator. Depending on the one you want to go first. If you are the one that want to add Google Authenticator, you can start with it. If you want to remove your Google Authenticator, you can skip it to the next step. Or if you want to recover your Google Authenticator, you can also skip it to the next step. So with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Let's start off how you can add Google Authenticator. Let's go. Don't forget to like, share, turn on notification bell, and subscribe for more videos. So what you're going to do is to have Google Authenticator. If you don't have, download one on Google Play Store. Click on it. Once you already click on it, yours will not show like this. First, yours will show you to sign up. You just have to sign up. Once you sign up, then you might use email. They'll say to use any email. Just click on sign up, click on get started. Then your interface will look like this, but there will be nothing on your interface. So first, in your Google app, like in the app, they ask you to add an authenticator to. So they will either give you to scan a QR code or give you a key code. So they will either give you that one, but mostly they do give the QR code, the scan to scan the QR code, or they'll give you the key. So what you're gonna do, right? Make sure if they give you the QR code, you want to use the scanning, just click here where you see plus, click here where you see plus, then you have to use this place where you see scan. You click on this scan, you have to scan the image, right? You just have to scan the image or scan the picture, scan the image. But this one is like you need two phone, or you have to screenshot the picture down. Once you screenshot the picture down, just come here to AC scan or scan it. But if you don't, if you have the code, which is the key, right? You come here to AC, put key, we put the key. So we have to put the key right now. So what you're gonna do, don't make sure nobody see the key or something like that, right? So what you're gonna do is to come here to AC key. Just tap on it. Let's go back. Just tap on the key. Then first of all, they will ask you to put the name. Secondly, the code name. Secondly, they ask you to put the key, right? They will ask you to put the name, and they will ask you, sorry guys. They ask you to put the name, or they will ask you to put the key. So if maybe this is Binance or any other app, you just have to put Binance so that you remember, or any other app, or this is KuCoin or Bybit. Just put the name of the app. Make sure you put the name of the app, or Coinbase. Let's use Coinbase. Use Coinbase for example. um Coinbase. Then what you're gonna do is to paste the key here, right? What you're gonna do is to paste the key. So I'm going to paste the key right here. I just click on paste, then I'll just click on paste. I'll be covering the key right now. So once you're done with the key, just click here where you see add, click on add, then just go back. Then you see that it's already added here. You can see it right there, it's added. So what you're going to do next is to copy it, copy this code. Just copy the code, then go back to the app, right? Go back to the app, and once you go back to the app, they will ask you. So once you go back to the app, they will ask you to copy this code and paste it in the app to confirm that you already activated. Then paste it in your Binance or whatever exchange, whatever app they give you the authenticator to come here to add it, right? To add the authenticator, then paste it, then confirm it in the app by copying this and pasting it there. Then you are done, right? Hope you understand, guys. How do you delete your Google Authenticator or two-factor authenticator? First, is either you have to deactivate it on the app you are using it for first. Click on deactivate, come here to copy the code they send. Depending on the exchange or the app, copy the code and paste it. They ask you to paste it to make sure that they get the correct code from here, then you deactivate it. Or you have to just come here, swap this place, right? Just, you see where I'm tapping, or just anyone, or just come here, just swipe it like this. Then you can click here where you see remove, right? You can click here where you see remove. Just click here where you see remove, and automatically it will be removed, guys. How do you recover your Google Authenticator, your Google or two-factor authenticator? So if maybe you mistakenly click here or delete the Google Authenticator, or I don't know how you do it, the Google Authenticator mistakenly get deleted. First of all, you need to, is either you have the Google Authenticator QR code scan, save, screenshotted or save, or you have the key, the key, which is the key Google Authenticator that you use to access it, screenshotted or save. But if you don't have any of that, what I'm going to advise you to do, right, is to come here. If maybe you are using Binance, if you want to access Binance or any other app you want to actually access, that you are using the Google Authenticator on. So what you're going to do, right, is to come to the Binance app. Come here to where you see contact customer support. Click on contact customer support or any other app, right? The authenticator. Tell them that, listen, I lost my authenticator. I need you guys to deactivate it, right? Either they will ask you, if you want them to deactivate the authenticator, they will ask you to submit your ID. They ask you to submit your ID card. You have to take picture with your ID card face to you, right? The ID card you use in verifying the authenticate that you use in verifying, that you actually use in verifying the app, right? That you use verifying the app. They ask you to actually take a picture with it. Then once you already take a picture with it, then they will verify it and see if it is correct with the ID card you use in doing your verification. Once they see that everything is correct, then they will automatically deactivate it. Then you can reactivate it, right? So simple as that. Simple as that, right? So that's it.